Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? Galaxies, vast, mysterious, and breathtaking, hold secrets beyond imagination. Today, let's uncover 7 unbelievable facts about these cosmic giants that will completely change the way you see our universe. Fact 1. Galaxies come in. Every shape you can imagine. Some galaxies are elegant spirals, like our Milky Way. Others are chaotic, irregular, or shaped like footballs. But here's the twist. Galaxies aren't static. They evolve, collide, and even cannibalize smaller galaxies to grow larger. Every time a galaxy merges, its shape and structure change forever. It's cosmic destruction and creation happening at the same time. Fact 2. The Milky Way is on a collision course. Yes, our home galaxy isn't safe forever. The Milky Way is hurtling toward our neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy, at over 110 kilometers per second. In about 4 billion years, they'll collide and merge into a new megagalaxy, sometimes called Milkomeda. Don't worry though, stars are so far apart that most won't actually crash. It's a cosmic dance of gravity, not a fiery explosion. Fact 3. Galaxies are mostly empty space. It might shock you to know that if you took away the vast emptiness inside galaxies, what's left could fit inside a teacup. Yes, galaxies may contain billions of stars, but they're separated by unimaginable distances. Space is not just big, it's almost entirely nothingness. Fact 4. Supermassive black holes rule every galaxy. At the heart of almost every major galaxy lies a monster, a supermassive black hole. Our Milky Way's core, Sagittarius A, has a mass of about 4 million suns. These black holes control the motion of stars, shape the galaxy's growth, and unleash powerful jets of energy that can be seen across the universe. They are both creators and destroyers of galaxies. Fact 5. Galaxies are billions of years old. The oldest known galaxies formed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. That means some galaxies we see today are ancient fossils from the dawn of time. When you look up through a telescope, you're not just seeing light, you're seeing history itself. Every galaxy is a time capsule carrying the secrets of cosmic evolution. Fact 6. There are more galaxies than stars in the Milky Way. According to the Hubble Space Telescope, there could be over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. And that's just what we can see. Some scientists believe the real number might be in the trillions. Each galaxy, in turn, holds billions of stars, and possibly billions of planets. That means there could be more worlds out there than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches combined. Fact 7. Galaxies can die. Yes, even galaxies have lifespans. Some stop forming stars and become red and dead, fading into silence over billions of years. Others get ripped apart by gravity or absorbed into larger systems. Even the mighty Milky Way will one day fade or merge into something new. It's a cosmic reminder. Nothing in the universe lasts forever. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, every tiny speck of light might be a galaxy of its own, holding billions of stars, worlds, and maybe other civilizations. The universe is far bigger, stranger, and more mysterious than we can ever imagine. But here's the question. If there are trillions of galaxies out there, could one of them be watching us right now?